Hello everyone and greetings from Germany. I thought I do this little video today and I have something, yeah, let's call it special. We are using microcontrollers programmed then to solve some problems or doing some fun stuff or whatever, and these things also evolved. So if you look at this is yeah, the most vintage thing ever. It's an Arduino. The most things began with this, and but the most of you guys are working with an ESP32 or something similar, and me in person, yes, I like this ones too. But I like more the kind of M5 stack is doing things, and we all know our famous products from M5 stack, the Stick C, the Atom. Here's an Atom Echo, uh, or even the usual M5 stack. Sorry, I'm from Germany. Sometimes I pronounce some words a bit wrong. Okay, but we all know this, and maybe it's time to evolve another time. And well, thanks to Sophia from M5 Stack and the proud permission from M5 Stack, I can present you today something what I think is special. I saw this some time ago in some Twitter posts, and I was very interested. And thanks to Sophia, I got my hands on one of this. I have here the M5 Tough. I'm not sure when this will be released. This is an, let's call it, early development example. But for this, it's quite good. Yeah. Um, Usually it looks like a M5 stack, but a bit more, yeah, without the buttons and with a waterproof case. I've got here the sealing somewhere here, little rubber. Um, but the functionality is quite the same as an M5 stack, just with the difference we have um, a device we can use under more bad conditions like uh, stormy weather or something. And it has a touch display. This was why I was very interested about. Uh, the usual MBus is my camera is not the best, so I will place a picture here. This is a little close up. We have the usual MBus. We have the TF card slot. We have our USB-C port for programming, and also a battery port. You have quite everything you need on one board and one device. So also the units should work, and the modules also. So let's see what we get. Let me search a cable. Yep, there it is. Let's put back the close up. We also got this battery port in here. On the close up, you can't see this directly, so and we have also the possibility. I'm not sure if on the final version, like I mentioned, this is an early development example. But I guess there will be placed a kind of RTC battery for the real-time clock, and yeah, this is totally okay. Okay, so here's my cable, and let's see. There's a little engineering example on this device. Let me see if I can get the camera a bit. Yes, this must be enough. Okay, so we have so this is really a touch panel. Yeah, this is so if I'm pressing something, there should something happen. For example, this little paint program. Where's the exit? There. Okay. The usual hardware test. Let's check if we get it. In the ads, it's bad for the camera, but well, it's working. Checking for Wi-Fi. Checking if it can read from SD card, but there is no card inserted. But well, it works. You have the power control. You can turn it off via software. I think yeah, it has everything everything you need. And for the next thing, I wrote a little demo program. Let's call it. I will show my Visual Studio code. There it is. Okay, and let's go to the important part. Yep. You just say these are your touch buttons. So you create the touch button by defining a square, and this will be the touch button area. And for this I have 6 buttons, and you see here what every button should do. And the last 2 buttons do a bit more. Just to show you like it could work. I will push this program now to the M5Tough. Okay. I will now put down the Visual Studio. Okay, there. Yeah, this is the simplest program you can imagine. You have 4 little buttons in 4 colors, and every button is just bringing up a big square in this color, blue and white. And you also can do something like a scroll bar or something, just with the code. It's very easy. Yeah, you see the little ball. Oops. It's just moving in direction of the arrow. I like it. Really, 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 I like it. And like mentioned, it comes with this little housing. It's waterproof. It has the possibility to be screwed on very well. It's quite stable. Nothing to worry about. Okay. yeah. So, well, if you have some questions about it, because as far as I know, well, I don't know any other person who has one of these things at home. I have. If you have questions and if it's something I can check, just leave me a comment and I will check for it, and if it's possible, I will put the answer in. So, from my side, keep healthy, keep staying healthy. So, uh, have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye.